Forgot your Facebook password? Don't reset it just yet. In this video, I'll show you 3 extremely fast tricks to find and check your current Facebook password so you can get back in without the hassle. Let's jump right in. Trick number 1 is right inside the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon on the bottom right. Now tap on the burger menu on top left. And expand the section above. And tap on Go to Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. And finally select Change Password. Choose your Facebook profile. For security reasons, Facebook won't show you the actual password here, but it'll show you the exact date you last updated it. If you still can't remember it, trick number 2 is guaranteed to reveal the exact password if you're on an iPhone. Open the Passwords app. And this opens a list of every password security locked on your phone. Just use the search bar at the bottom and type in Facebook and tap the result. Not on an iPhone, trick number 3 works flawlessly using Google Chrome. Open up the Google Chrome app. Tap the 3 dots at the bottom right. Scroll across and choose Password Manager. Just search for Facebook, tap on the result, and instantly reveal your password. I hope this helped you get your account back. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out.